Hello there. Today we're talking about the tyCACHE modifier, a powerful alternative to the native point cache tool in 3dsMax. Both of these modifiers help you cache out heavy animated meshes. But the key advantage of tyCACHE is its ability to store data even when the vertex count changes over time. In our example, the Christmas decoration has a slice modifier in the stack. If you try to cache it using the regular point cache, it won't work, because the number of vertices changes on every frame. Let's take a look at a simple demonstration. Here we have two identical cylinders. I'll apply a bend modifier and animate it. Then I'll copy the bend modifier to the second cylinder. On the first cylinder, I'm adding a tyCACHE modifier and clicking Save Cache. After that, we can disable the bend modifier. Now on the second cylinder, I'll add a point cache and set a cache directory. Disabling bend on both objects, you can see that both caches work fine. Next, let's try the same test using the slice modifier. I'll animate the slice and cache it with tyCACHE. It works without any issues. But doing the same with the point cache results in an error about the point count, meaning the caching fails. Moving forward, let's quickly cover a few other parameters of the tyCACHE modifier. In the Mode menu, we can choose whether to embed the cache directly into the Max file or save it to a separate cache file. Heavy meshes can take some time. Let's save it as a separate file this time. As you can see, it takes longer. And for now, we can't export the cache as a file sequence. Now let's look at the Timing tab. Frame offset shifts the playback as expected. Clamp frame range limits the cache to a specific timeline range. With 3 options for how the clamped areas behave. And retiming cache can be useful if you need to stretch the animation or make it faster or slower. With by frame, you animate two values to control which cache frames play at which times. Or you can choose by speed and simply enter a percentage. If you're interested in this topic, I recommend checking out the official tyFlow page for a deeper explanation of each function. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.